Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Vellarikka curry. First, gather your fresh ingredients. You will need 1 medium cucumber, peeled and diced into small, uniform pieces. Also, have 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 green chilies, and a small piece of ginger ready. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, essential for color and flavor. This simple preparation ensures a delicious start to your curry. Now, let's prepare the key components. Dice your peeled cucumber into small, bite-sized pieces, about 1/2 inch cubes. Next, take your grated coconut, green chilies, and ginger. Grind these together with a little water to form a very smooth, fine paste. This paste is the heart of our curry, providing its rich flavor and creamy texture. Set both the diced cucumber and the coconut paste aside. It's time to cook our curry base. Place the diced cucumber in a pot with 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and enough water to just cover the pieces. Cook until the cucumber is tender, but still holds its shape. Then, gently stir in the smooth coconut paste. Allow the curry to simmer for about 5 minutes on low heat, ensuring the flavors meld beautifully without boiling vigorously. For the final touch, let's prepare the tempering. Heat 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a small pan. Add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then, add a few fresh curry leaves and 2 dried red chilies, frying them until fragrant. Pour this aromatic tempering directly over your simmering Vellarikka curry. Stir gently and serve your delicious, homemade Vellarikka curry hot with rice.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.